welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. India all set for new government. Goa to get result of both the seats by 12 noon. On the eve of D-Day, Goan Lok Sabha candidates confident of their victory. Counting to begin from 8 in morning. South Goa seat raises highest interest. Prudent gets exclusive access to internal projections of Congress and BJP. Both show neck-to-neck fight. FIMI 2 objects to e-auction methodology for sale of minerals. Central Coordination cum Empowered Committee to take decision on e-auctioning. And Goa's Dominic Suarez and Clencio Pinto selected for training at Argentine club Boca Juniors. 12 others picked for journey to Buenos Aires. IFB Boca football champ scouting camp concludes. Now news in detail. India is all set for counting votes for Lok Sabha polls 2014. For North Goa, seat counting will be conducted at Balbhavan, Kampal. For South Goa, seat counting will be conducted at Damodar and Kare College. At 8 o'clock in morning, counting of postal ballots will begin. Between 8:30 to afternoon, votes from EVMs will be counted.
मैं खड़ा हूं दिल्ली के ऐतिहासिक राजपथ पर। आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं इंडिया गेट, जो कि वीर शहीदों की निशानी है, लेकिन हमारे विश्व के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र का भी गवाह है, क्योंकि यही राजपथ सीधा संसद भवन को जाता है। 16वीं लोकसभा के नतीजों के आने में अब बस कुछ एक घंटे बचे हैं और दिल्ली के गलियों में राजनीतिक सरगर्मियां काफी तेज हो गई है। अगर हम सबसे पहले बात करें कांग्रेस पार्टी की, तो उनके नेता ये मान चुके हैं कि उन्हें इस बार सत्ता बनाने लायक जो बहुमत है, जो नंबर चाहिए, वो नहीं आने वाला। इसलिए कोई भी बड़े नेता कांग्रेस के कैमरे पे आकर के बात करने को तैयार नहीं है। दूसरी तरफ अगर बात करें तो बीजेपी में भी दो सूरत उभर रही है। एक तरफ बात करें, वो जो एग्जिट पोल सारे चैनल्स के अभी तक आए हैं, उससे काफी आश्वस्त लग रहे हैं, लेकिन एक कहीं ना कहीं एक आशंका जताई जा रही है कि हो सकता है बीजेपी को पूरे जो 272 का आंकड़ा है, वो 272 का आंकड़ा ना मिले और उन्हें 20-25 सांसदों के समर्थन की जरूरत मिलेगी। और ऐसी परिस्थिति अगर उभरती है तो निश्चित तौर पे बीजेपी के लिए एक कड़ी परीक्षा का वक्त होगा।
Goa went for polls on 12th April. That was the second phase of Lok Sabha polls out of 9 phases in India. Along with Goa, counting will be conducted for Lok Sabha polls across India. On Friday, counting will be conducted between 8 o'clock in the morning till afternoon. By 12, results of both the seats are expected. Election Commission has made special security arrangement at counting venues. CRPF and local police will be stationed at counting centres. Vehicles will not be allowed outside the counting centres. Joint Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Nauti told Prudent that counting will be conducted on 72 tables in North Goa at Balbhavan, whereas in South Goa, counting will be conducted at 61 tables at Kare College and 40 tables at Damodar College. In all, for South Goa, counting will be conducted on 101 tables. In Balbhavan, constituency counting will be conducted on 10 tables for Thivi, Mapsa and Porvari. For Bicholi, Maye and Sakri, counting will be on 14 tables. Shioli, Saligaon and Prior 10 tables, Aldana, Panji, Taligaon 10 tables, Santa Cruz, San Andre, Kumarzua 10 tables. For Mandre, Pedne, Kalangud, Walpa and Pariya constituency, counting will be held on 18 tables. In Kare College, counting for Sangye, Saurde will be done on 10 tables, Mormugao, Kortali 10 tables, Vasco, Daboli 10 tables, Kepe, Kutsode 10 tables, Ponda, Shiroda, Murka 11 tables and Kankon counting will be done on 10 tables. In Damodar College for Nue Veli constituency, counting will be done on 10 tables, Kunkori, Kurtori 10 tables, Fatorda, Madgaon 10 tables and Banauli, Naveli counting will be done on 10 tables. At 8 in the morning, counting will be conducted of postal ballots. Between 8:30 to afternoon, EVMs will be counted. By 12 in the afternoon, the results of both the seats will be declared. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Finally, the D-Day has arrived. The much-hyped election process will culminate on Friday with counting of Lok Sabha elections. Exit polls have declared the victory of NDA. However, counting will decide the exact fate of candidates' victory. We spoke with the Lok Sabha candidates in the state. All seem confident of their victory.
The party is winning the South Goa elections hands down. And we are confident that in all the constituencies, we will get the lead and will win these elections with comfortable margin. Lead in Salsit Taluka is concerned. I am quite confident in all the constituencies in Salsit Taluka will get the lead.
I am expecting lead at least around, should be at least around 10,000.
निवडणुकीचो अटी-तटीचो सामनो आसा आणि जो कोण निवडून येता तो एक हार्डली 6 to 8,000 ह्या वोटाचो मार्जिन आसा. लोकांकडल्यान एक हे घेतला तो पूर्ण विश्वास म्हणजे लोकांनी दवरलेलो आशिल्लो. निश्चितूच फाल्यां ह्या रिझल्ट जातलो तेन्ना जैतिवंत जातलो अशी खात्री आसा. मी आशा
आता आम्ही खंयतरी म्हणजे टाइम कमी असल्या कारणान आम्ही मातशें आमी लोकां पर्यंत मुळावी लोकां पर्यंत पावपाक आमी मातशें कमी पडले मेळटले.
कितले मार्जिन अशें तुमी हे करूंक ना?
तशें आमी कॅल्क्युलेशन कशें आसा पयलेच फावट इलेक्शनाक बसलेले कारणान आमी म्हणजे तशें कॅल्क्युलेशन आमकां विक्ट्री जी आसा ती आमकां निश्चितूच हितूंतल्यान मेळटली.
फेवरां येवपाचें फाल्यां रिजल्ट खोटलो न्हू मेशना आनी सगळें जे लोकांक जाय तो फेवर जातलो. म्हाका मार्जिन न्हू हांव जिखपाक म्हाका चान्स आहा. जिखलो जाल्यार म्हजें नशीब आनी लोकांचें नशीब म्हज्या लोकांचें नशीब. जिखना प्रॉब्लेम कांय ना. इलेक्शन बोर्ड म्हणटा पॉलिटिकल हेड दो.
However, we couldn't get in touch with North Goa Congress candidate Ravi Naik. He excused himself, saying that he is busy with the dentist. With Bureau Input, senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
The North Goa seat might look like a no-brainer, but all eyes are set on South Goa. Prudent has accessed internal details of Congress and BJP's predictions about South Goa. Although both the predictions seem optimistic for both the parties, none of the analysis gives either candidates a decisive lead. On the eve of the verdict day, here are the most credible predictions about the South Goa Lok Sabha seat.
South Goa Lok Sabha seat is the constituency to watch out for. Rather than getting into the exit polls, we tried to source data of the two main political parties. The predictions of each one of them are intriguing. Here are the exclusive details. Let's first look at the most crucial taluka, Salset. Congress prediction 60,000 lead to Congress. BJP prediction 40,000 lead to Congress. Both the parties are unanimous about Congress getting a substantial lead in Salset. Although the difference is of 20,000 votes, Salset can still be the game changer. Now let's look at the data analysis of both the parties in mining area, which consist of Sange, Savodde, Kurchore and Kepe. Here both parties clearly agree that BJP is way ahead. Here are the projections. Congress prediction 14,000 lead to BJP. BJP prediction 17,000 lead to BJP. Although BJP is a clear winner here, Congress claims a sizable lead of around 3,000 votes in Kepe. Now let's move on to Ponda Taluka. Constituencies are Madkai, Ponda, Shiroda. Here too, BJP looks a clear frontrunner. The projections are Congress prediction 20,000 lead to BJP. BJP prediction 20,000 lead to BJP. Concon is very interesting. Both the parties are claiming lead of 1,000 votes. Now it is the turn of Mormugao. Practically, BJP has complete MLA support in this taluka. Congress MLA Movin too supported the BJP. The culminative lead in this taluka as per the projections of both the parties is as follows. Congress prediction 6,000 lead to BJP. BJP prediction 7,000 lead to BJP. Here comes the interesting part. If we add all the leads projected by the parties themselves, here is the picture that emerges. Congress 61,000, BJP 45,000. This is straight internal prediction, but if we analyze their prediction about each other, which might turn out to be realistic, here's a shocking result. Congress projection by BJP 40,000. BJP projection by Congress 40,000. Here is the catch. If we match both the parties' prediction about each other, it is exactly packed at the same number, that is 40,000. And probably this number crunching keeps the South Goa election field wide open and guessing. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.